Discount codes are not about giving money away. They're the easiest way to win first-time customers and keep them coming back. Today, I'll show you how to create a Shopify discount code step by step. Plus, I'll give a few pro tips to make them even more effective. So to get started, let's hop over to my computer. If we are on the Shopify homepage, this is where it's going to drop you. The next thing we need to do is we need to locate where they store discount codes. Now, discounts have their own special menu item on the left here. You can see them right here. Click on them and it will take you to the discount area. Now, if you don't have any discount codes set up, there will be a button right in the middle that you can say create discount. If you do have discounts created already, you can go in the top right-hand corner and create a discount through here. It's going to give you the same options. Now, when you go and create a discount code, you now need to pick the type. And there are 4 types available for the regular users. So there are amounts off products, there's buy X, get Y, there's amount off an order, and there's free shipping. Now, on this store installation, I have 2 more options, which are checkout blocks. And checkout blocks show discounts to show up at specific areas inside your checkout in order to give special discounts to certain segments of customers. We're going to leave checkout blocks for another video. For this one, we are just going to do one of these 4. So let's do the simplest one first. Let's go amount off of a product. So we're going to select that. Now, we're going to be taken to the discount menu. Now, in the discount menu, you have 2 options. You can go automatic discount, or you can create a discount code. A discount code is something that someone will have to physically put into the Shopify checkout. If you have an automatic discount, it's going to apply the discount based on a few conditions that you set up. For this demo, we're going to go with discount code. Now, it's always advisable to go and generate a random code. This is going to give your store a lot more flexibility when it comes to which kind of codes you're going to offer for what. Now, there is an argument to be made that if you're going to be offering, say, 10% off for joining, or a VIP code, or maybe you have a specific code for a specific segment, you might want to go and give it that code name. For general giving out codes to most customers, you want a random discount code so that it's not easily guessable. Next, what you want to do is you want to decide your discount value. So the next value is, are you going to give a percentage off, or are you going to get a fixed amount off? In this particular demo, I'm going to give $1 off for this discount code, and I'm going to select to fixed amount. Now I need to decide, is it going to apply to specific collections or specific products? Now I can go specific products, and I can go and browse the products that I want it to be available to. So say if I want it to be only available to the springtime summer dress, I can go and do that. Sorry, I have to go in and select it, and I have to hit add. Okay, so now this discount code will only work on this product. I have the option to say once per order. If not selected, once will be taken off each eligible item. Or if I want it to be available for all items, if it's not selected, you can add it to every single item in the cart. Okay. On the right-hand side, it's going to give you a summary of what your discount code is actually going to do. So you can look through the details. You can see that all customers are going to get $1 off the springtime summer dress. It applies to each eligible item per order. There are no minimum purchases required, no usage limits, and it can't be combined with other discount codes. It's also going to be active from today. Now, I can also decide if I want it to only be available on certain sales channels. So if I only want to be able to offer discount code to Facebook users, I can go and do that. So I can go into my channels and I can select which one I want. For this particular goal, I'm going to have it for every single person. Now, as we come down, we can start changing some of these details in here. So we can go and change in eligibility. We can change in specific customer segments. So if we've gone and created a segment inside of our marketing, it will go and check to see if that customer is a member of that segment before it allow them to apply it. So you can go and create a segment of VIP customers, maybe customers that have spent over a certain amount of dollars on your store will get this discount. So you can get really granular with the people that it affects. You can also go and select specific customers. So just like you selected specific products, you can go and select a specific customer that is going to get that discount code, and only their email address will allow them to check out using that code. You can set what your minimum purchase requirements are. So if you're looking to incentivize them to buy more with the discount code, you can go and set that. So your minimum purchase amount might need to be $10 to receive $1 off. You can say minimum quantity of items. So you can say how many items do they have to purchase. Now, one of the things to keep in mind here is these minimum requirements, you can't have both. You can only have one or the other. If you want to do minimum requirements on both of them, then you're going to be required to stack discount codes. And I'll get to that in a moment. So you can also limit the number of times a discount code can be used, and you can also limit it one per customer if you choose. Okay, now you can also do the stacking discount codes. So if you wanted to create a product level discount code, you can say this discount code is also applicable to this product, or these order discount codes, or these shipping discount codes. The shipping one is important because sometimes you want to give a free discount as well as free shipping to incentivize people to purchase, and that's how those combinations work inside of Shopify. You can set your active dates and your start time and your end time, and you can set an end date if you only wanted to go for a certain period of time. Once that is done, you can hit the save button and your discount code is now active. At the top, you can create a shareable link, which will allow you to use this link and copy and paste it and give it to someone to go and check out. Now, the interesting thing with this discount code is not only is it going to apply the discount code, but it's also going to redirect the user to the product that it is responsible for, or that it's going to give the discount on, as you can see here. Or you can have people just go to the homepage. What will be nice is if you go and use this little tag in here, /discount code, it will apply it to the store. And when people go to checkout, it will be as if it was an automatic discount code, but it was applied manually, if that makes sense. The way you would use that and what you would use that for is, say you were using it in a special influencer campaign, but you wanted to make it as easy as possible for the people who were checking out to make sure they use that code. That's when you would go and use this discount link in your calls to action to make sure that discount code was applied. All right, once that is finished, you can go back up here, the little dot up there, to see all of the discount codes that you have set up. It shows you your combinations, if there are combinations that you wanted to work with, the type, and the code. You can go and export these codes if you want to use these in other marketing pieces, and you can go and create multiple codes. My recommendation is always to use as simple as possible. You don't want to make your codes too complicated. And that's how you create discount codes inside of Shopify. Start simple. Start with something like a welcome 10, then layer on things like minimum spend or customer eligibility to really drive some growth. If you've got discount codes in mind, drop me a comment and I'll share my best tips on how they work. And of course, if you want to speak with me, you can go and join my online community at expertbymonday.com/community. And on there, you can send me a DM and I'd be happy to help you work through any of the challenges that you have with your discounts. All right, that's everything for this one. Hope you guys are having a great day, and we will catch you in the next one.